Hello adik-adik, this is Raj Kumari. Thanks for using Raj English Corner. I'm very pleased to be here and I look forward to meeting everyone in my class. Saya sangat senang berada di sini dan saya berharap dapat bertemu dengan semuanya di kelas saya. Kindly remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Today, we are going to talk about in or at as the prepositions of place plus location again. But first, let's do a quick review. When do we use at and in? At is used for general locations. So at itu adik-adik digunakan untuk lokasi umum. It can be inside, outside, or around the area. Jadi bisa digunakan di dalam, di luar, atau di sekitar lokasi. While in is used for enclosed space, sementara in itu digunakan untuk ruang tertutup. Now, let's look at these phrases. At the flower shop, di toko kembang. Di dalam toko kembang, in the flower shop. Di stadion, at the stadium. Di dalam stadion, in the stadium. Di KFC, at KFC. Di dalam KFC, in KFC. Di toko kelontong, at the grocery store. Di dalam toko kelontong, in the grocery store. Di rumah, at home. Di dalam rumah, in the house. Di rumah saya, at my house. Di dalam rumah saya, in my house. Di lampu lalu lintas, at the traffic lights. Di dalam kemacetan lalu lintas, in a traffic jam. Di kantor, at the office. Di dalam kantor, in the office. Di toko serba ada, at the convenience store. Di dalam toko serba ada, in the convenience store. Di cafe, at the cafeteria. Di dalam cafe, in the cafeteria. Di pintu, at the door. We don't have in the door adik-adik. In the door doesn't exist. In the door itu tidak pernah ada. Next, di pintu gerbang, at the gate. Begitu pula at the gate adik-adik, we don't have in the gate. So in the gate itu doesn't exist, tidak pernah ada. Next is di pintu masuk, at the entrance. Di pintu keluar, at the exit. Di ujung jalan, at the end of the road. Di pintu masuk utara mall, at the north entrance of the mall. Di pintu masuk selatan mall, at the south entrance of the mall. Di pintu masuk timur mall, at the east entrance of the mall. Di pintu masuk barat mall, at the west entrance of the mall. Di tempat kerja atau sedang bekerja, at work. Di lapangan golf atau sedang bermain golf, at golf. Di lapangan basket atau sedang bermain basket, at basketball. Di lapangan bola atau sedang bermain bola, at football. Di stasiun pemadam kebakaran, at the fire station. Di dalam stasiun pemadam kebakaran, in the fire station. Di stasiun kereta, at the train station. Di dalam stasiun kereta, in the train station. Di stasiun bis, at the bus station. Di dalam stasiun bis, in the bus station. Jadi adik-adik, If the bus station is only a platform, jadi bila mana bus station itu merupakan suatu pelataran dan tidak ada gedungnya, in the bus station tidak bisa digunakan. Jadi kita gunakan at the bus station saja. Bila ada gedungnya, bisa digunakan in the bus station. Paham ya adik-adik? Next, di pom bensin, at the gas station, di halte bis, at the bus stop. That's it for today, adik-adik. You did very well. Great job. Pause the video and try again one more time and one more time and one more time. Hentikan video sejenak dan cobalah sekali lagi dan sekali lagi dan sekali lagi. Semuanya akan menjadi lebih mudah setiap kali Anda berlatih sekali lagi. And please don't move to our next video until you have mastered the topic. Dan jangan lanjut ke video selanjutnya sampai Anda sudah menguasai topik ini. Bye for now adik-adik. See you in the next video and please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Love you loads.